Israel is a magnificent place for all kinds of animals and birds. There's something about the Хула Valley, early morning, the cranes. It's a very humbling experience. It really puts you in place.
This is my fourth trip to Israel. I came to the first Israeli Bird Festival, the Aloft 2000, and that was really the first Hula Bird Festival, which was a great success. I mean, bird festivals are now something that is phenomenal, that's happening worldwide, and 99% of them are doing good work for nature conservation.
It's the amount of species in such a local area, unheard of in Europe. You'd have to go miles to see the same amount of species.
A lot of history and culture, and all the birds you can see here, and all the scenery, of course, up here in the north especially. It's an overwhelming experience to come to Hula every time.
If they really want to see something special, this is the place to come.